I'm Nate, and I've been a little bit bored recently, so I decided to make this magnetic fishing line. So I really like magnet fishing videos, and I'll play you a clip of some of those on YouTube right now. So the way magnet fishing works is that you take this magnet that's tied to a rope and you toss it in a body of water and you pull it up, and sometimes you find cool treasure like phones, gold, and that sort of thing. So it's really fun. And you also help the environment, so it's a win-win. So I wanted to do that at home. So I put together this with things I found around my house. These are the 4 magnets that make up the magnets. So we'll just put those off to the side for now. What I started with was a skewer, which is this skewer. And the reason why I put glue onto it was because when I tied the yarn onto it, it stayed better. So what you're going to want to do next is get a piece of yarn, it doesn't have to be red, and then double knot it onto the glued skewer. You should probably use hot glue for the skewer because that's what I found helps the best. And so after that, I connected the yarn, double knotted it again onto this worm-like thing that I found somewhere in the house. And so then afterwards you take these 4 magnets again and then you just put them on like so. And now you have this fishing line, which is ready to go. So let's go on a magnet hunt around my studio. Thanks for watching. Bye!